Hey there, tiny tots! Embark on an exciting journey with ocean sea animals, reptiles, and birds. Perfect for kids and toddlers who love to explore and learn. This adventure combines hands on play, educational fun, and engaging activities. Meet and play with plastic toy versions of ocean sea animals such as whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and colorful fish. Discover the intriguing world of reptiles like lizards. Embark on the experience. The secret life of orca whales. Orcas are among the most intelligent animals on the planet. They exhibit complex social behaviors, have strong familial bonds, and are known for their problem-solving abilities. Orcas use a variety of vocalizations legends and facts about lobster. Lobsters can live for several decades and their lifespan varies depending on factors like species, habitat, and environmental conditions. Some lobsters are known to live over 100 years, and lobsters are a popular seafood delicacy. The story of the fin whale. Fin whales are usually solitary animals or found in small groups. However, they may form larger groups when feeding in areas. The average lifespan of a fin whale is estimated to be around 60 to 70 years. The secrets of hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have relatively long lifespans compared to other fish species. Depending on the species, they can live anywhere from 20 to 30 years in the wild. Like other sharks, hammerheads are viviparous. Meet the stake beetle up close. Stake beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can reach lengths of up to 4 inches. The lifespan of stake beetles is relatively short. Adults usually live for a few weeks to a few months, with most of their life encountering the whale shark. Whale sharks are generally solitary creatures but may gather in large numbers in areas with abundant food sources, such as plankton blooms. They are known to undertake long-distance migrations, although the full extent of their migration patterns is not yet fully understood. Legends of the lizard iguana. Male iguanas are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. They may engage in elaborate displays and aggressive encounters to establish dominance and access to mates. With proper care, iguanas can live relatively long lives. Capturing the essence of beluga whale. While the exact lifespan of beluga whales is not well known, scientists estimate that they can live up to 80 to 90 years. Beluga whales are typically solitary animals or found in small groups. However, during the breeding season, they may gather in large numbers. Ocean's Fury, the Shark Saga. Despite their fearsome reputation, sharks are facing numerous threats including overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution. Many species are listed as vulnerable or endangered due to these threats. Sharks employ a variety of reproductive strategies. The leopard gecko adventure begins. Leopard geckos are generally silent and they communicate through body languages and pheromones rather than vocalizations. In the wild, leopard geckos primarily feed on insects and other invertebrates. In captivity, their diet is usually composed of crickets. Jumping into lives of grasshopper. Grasshoppers are found all over the world. In fact, they are known to be found on all continents except Antarctica. The grasshopper fares best in a warm and dry environments and so is often found in meadows and fields. They are also frequently spotted in people's gardens and in farmers' fields over the summer. Slow and steady. Turtle Kingdom. Turtles have varied diets depending on their species and habitat. Some are herbivores, feeding on plants and algae, while others are carnivores, preying on insects, fish, and small mammals. Turtles are ectothermic, which means they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun to warm up and retreat into shade or water to cool down. Unraveling the gargantuan spider. The concept of giant spiders is deeply ingrained in many cultures, mythologies, and folklore, often representing fear and danger. Something common to all 40,000 species of spiders is that they all spin silk. And as spiders have evolved, the adventures of a duck. Ducklings are social animals and often stay close to their siblings and mother for protection. They may form groups or patches with other ducklings for added safety. Ducklings grow rapidly and their down feathers and gradually replaced by adult plumage over the course of a few months. Ducklings are omnivores and feed on a diet that includes insects, Thank you for spending your time watching, learning and cleaning ocean sea animals and reptiles bugs for kids and toddlers episode. Subscribe now for an unforgettable adventure in learning and cleaning ocean sea animals, reptiles and bugs. Let's explore, play and learn together in this exciting and educational journey. More muddy fun coming your way. Stay tuned. Until next time, young buddies.